Hey there, food lovers! Let's talk about mashed potatoes, the ultimate comfort food. Imagine this fluffy clouds of potatoey goodness melting in your mouth. We're talking about mashed potatoes so smooth and creamy, they'll make you want to dance. Forget lumpy, gluey messes. We're going for mashed potato perfection. Get ready for a recipe that's easy to follow and even more fun to eat. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back to boring old mashed potatoes again. First things first, let's grab our ingredients and tools. This is the foundation of our delicious mashed potatoes, so let's make sure we have everything we need. We don't need a fancy kitchen, just the basics and a whole lot of love for potatoes. You'll need a few key ingredients and tools to make this dish perfect. Potatoes. Russet potatoes are the stars here, folks. They make the fluffiest mash. Make sure to pick the best ones, firm and without any blemishes. Butter. Because butter makes everything better, right? Use unsalted butter so you can control the seasoning better. Milk, whole milk or cream for extra richness. This will give your mashed potatoes that creamy texture we all love. Salt and pepper. Seasoning is key, people. Don't forget to taste as you go to get the perfect balance. Grab your tools. Large pot for boiling those potatoes to perfection. Make sure it's big enough to hold all your potatoes with room to spare. Potato masher or a fork if you're feeling strong. A potato masher will give you a smoother texture, but a fork can work in a pinch. Measuring cups and spoons. Let's be precise with our deliciousness. Accurate measurements ensure consistency and the best flavor every time. And don't forget to wash your potatoes thoroughly. Clean potatoes make for a cleaner, tastier mash. Peeler. A good vegetable peeler will make quick work of those potato skins. You can leave the skins on for a more rustic mash if you prefer. Knife. A sharp knife is essential for cutting your potatoes into even chunks. This helps them cook evenly. Once your potatoes are cut, place them in a large pot of cold water. This helps them cook more evenly. Add a generous pinch of salt to the water. This seasons the potatoes from the inside out as they cook. Turn on the stove and bring the water to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let the potatoes simmer until they're tender. Check the potatoes with a fork. They should be tender and easily pierced when they're done. Drain the potatoes well. You don't want any excess water making your mash watery. Return the drained potatoes to the pot. This helps them dry out a bit, making for a fluffier mash. Add your butter and milk to the hot potatoes. The heat will help the butter melt and the milk to blend in smoothly. Mash everything together until you reach your desired consistency. Some like it smooth, others a bit chunky. It's up to you. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out. And there you have it, perfectly mashed potatoes ready to be enjoyed. Simple, delicious, and made with love. Now let's give those potatoes some love. Potatoes are a versatile and beloved ingredient in many kitchens around the world. Whether you're making mashed potatoes, roasted potatoes, or even a potato salad, the first step is always the same: proper preparation. This is where the magic starts. A well-prepped potato can make all the difference in your dish. Peel and chop. Wash those potatoes and peel them nice and clean. Make sure to remove any blemishes or eyes. A good rinse under cold water will help get rid of any dirt or debris. Chop them into even chunks so they cook evenly. Uniform pieces ensure that every chunk cooks at the same rate, giving you a consistent texture throughout. Boiling time. Toss those potato chunks into a large pot and cover them with cold water. Starting with cold water helps the potatoes cook more evenly from the outside in. Add a pinch of salt. This not only seasons the potatoes but also helps to break down their starches, making them tender and flavorful. Bring it to a boil. Then turn down the heat and let them simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on them to make sure they don't overcook. Fork test. How do you know when they're done? Easy. The fork test is a simple yet effective way to check for doneness. Poke them with a fork. If the fork goes in with little resistance, your potatoes are perfectly cooked. If the fork slides in easily, they're ready for mashing. Now you're all set to move on to the next step in your recipe, whether that's mashing them with butter and cream, roasting them with herbs, or incorporating them into a hearty stew. Properly prepped potatoes are the foundation of countless delicious dishes. Enjoy your perfectly prepped potatoes. Section 4. The mash is on. Time to mash. This is where you can really put your muscles into it. Mashing potatoes is not just about breaking them down. It's about creating a smooth, creamy texture that will make your dish unforgettable. First, carefully drain the cooked potatoes in a colander. Make sure you get rid of all the water, as excess moisture can make your mashed potatoes runny. Give them a little shake to get rid of excess water. This step is crucial to ensure that your potatoes are dry enough to absorb all the delicious flavors you'll be adding later. Now, put them back in the pot and let them steam for a few minutes. This extra steaming time helps to evaporate any remaining moisture and makes the potatoes even fluffier. This helps them get extra fluffy. Fluffy potatoes are the key to perfect mashed potatoes, giving them that light and airy texture everyone loves. Next, grab your potato masher or a fork and start mashing. Use a steady, even pressure to break down the potatoes. Mash, mash, mash until you get rid of any lumps. The goal is to achieve a smooth consistency, free of any chunks that could disrupt the creamy texture. Finally, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning and make sure your mashed potatoes are perfect. Need more salt? Add a pinch. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it out, so season gradually and taste as you go. Don't forget to add a generous amount of butter. Butter adds richness and a silky texture to your mashed potatoes. You can also add a splash of cream or milk for extra creaminess. Mix it in well to ensure it's fully incorporated. For an extra burst of flavor, consider adding some fresh herbs like chives or parsley. They add a lovely color and a fresh taste. And there you have it. Perfectly mashed potatoes that are fluffy, creamy, and full of flavor. Enjoy! Section 5. Creamy Dream Team. Okay, we're almost there. Now comes the part where we turn those mashed potatoes into a creamy dream. First, add a few tablespoons of softened butter to the mashed potatoes. Don't be shy with the butter. Then, pour in some warm milk or cream, a little at a time, and mix it in until you reach your desired creaminess. You can always add more if needed. Finally, taste again and add more salt and pepper if you like. Remember, you're the chef here. Section 6. Serve with a smile. Congratulations! You did it! You've made the most amazing creamy mashed potatoes ever. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Spoon those fluffy clouds of goodness onto plates and serve them up with your favorite dishes. They go perfectly with roasted chicken, juicy steak, or a hearty vegetarian stew. Section 7. Mashed Potato Heaven. And there you have it, mashed potato heaven. With this easy recipe and a sprinkle of love, you'll be making the best mashed potatoes ever. So grab those potatoes and get mashing. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.